Hi, welcome to Basic English. In today's episode, I have a new phrase for you. Indispensable. Do you know what does it mean? Let's find out what does it mean and how we can use it in our daily conversation. Indispensable, which basically means something that is absolutely important and essential for you. অথবা আমরা বলতে পারি অপরিহার্য বা অত্যাবশ্যকীয় কোনো কাজ। আমি যদি আরেকটু বিস্তারিতভাবে বলি, কিছু কিছু জিনিস আছে যেগুলো অত্যাবশ্যকীয় এবং এই জিনিসগুলো ব্যতীত আমাদের জীবন ইনকমপ্লিট মনে হয়, সেগুলোকে আমরা বলবো ইন্ডিসপেন্সিবল। Let's look at some example for better understanding. Example 1. Basic education is indispensable for all the poor people in our country. Example 2. While learning English, a dictionary is considered as an indispensable asset. Example 3. Credit cards are indispensable to carry out online business. Example 4. Understanding each other is indispensable to sustain a relationship. Example 5. Inhalers are indispensable to all asthmatic patients and required to carried out in case of emergency. Example 6. In 2 years of their relationship, urine became indispensable to Junaid. The last one we have. Hard work and patience are indispensable qualities to be successful in life.